Hey friends, if audio is not working in Microsoft Teams on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. So one thing is that, is audio working on your computer at all? Is it a computer issue or specific to the app? If it's a computer issue, then we have a different video to solve it. But click on this volume control symbol and scroll down and make sure that audio is on for Teams. Okay, you can open Microsoft Teams and then check whether audio is on for Teams or not. Now the next thing is that, let's say that you're on the main page on Teams, okay, on the chats page. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Go to the devices tab on the list on the left hand side. Make sure that the correct speaker is checked. Like right now, the audio will not work because it is picking up the microphone as the speaker. It counts as headphones. So just change it to speaker, C media audio, okay, and this will solve the problem. This is how it works, okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.